Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today we're diving into a detailed comparison between the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN M2PRO. The Hohem iSteady M6 is a powerful 3-axis gimbal that offers advanced stabilization and an AI tracking sensor, making it perfect for professional videographers. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN M2PRO is a budget-friendly 2-axis gimbal that doubles as a selfie stick and tripod, providing convenience and ease of use for casual users. We'll examine their features, performance, and value for money to help you decide which gimbal is right for you. The Hohem iSteady M6 features advanced 3-axis stabilization, ensuring smooth and steady footage even in dynamic shooting conditions. This is particularly beneficial for professional videographers who require high-quality results. In contrast, the AOCHUAN M2PRO utilizes a 2-axis stabilization system which, while effective for casual use, may not provide the same level of stability as its 3-axis counterpart. This difference can significantly impact the quality of your video, especially during movement. The Hohem iSteady M6 is equipped with an AI vision sensor that allows for precise tracking of subjects, making it ideal for capturing dynamic scenes. This feature is particularly useful for content creators who need to follow moving subjects seamlessly. On the other hand, the AOCHUAN M2PRO offers AI face tracking that operates without the need for an app, providing a user-friendly experience for those who want to capture themselves easily. While both gimbals offer tracking capabilities, the technology and effectiveness differ significantly. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $209, reflecting its advanced features and professional-grade capabilities. This higher investment may be justified for serious videographers looking for top-notch performance. In contrast, the AOCHUAN M2PRO is available for just $56, making it an attractive option for casual users or beginners who want a reliable gimbal without breaking the bank. This price difference highlights the varying target audiences for each product. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and the AOCHUAN M2PRO have their unique strengths. The Hohem iSteady M6 is perfect for those seeking advanced stabilization and tracking features, while the AOCHUAN M2PRO offers a budget-friendly solution with essential functionalities. Depending on your needs and budget, either of these gimbals could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.